So welcome children to another trigonometry class. Now see, we have studied about values before this class, trigonometric values of known trigonometric ratios. Little bit of hint we have from there what we are going to study. Say for example, if I tell you what is the value of sine 30, can you tell me? So sine 30, okay, you memorize sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also equal to 1 by 2. So how does this happen? 60 plus 30 is 90. So there must be some relation. If I tell tan 30 is 1 by root 3, then cot 60 is 1 by root 3. How it happens? We'll come to know here. Let us try to find out all the trigonometric ratios having this angle theta. So sine theta is equal to opposite, that is AB, by hypotenuse, that is AC. Cos theta is equal to, let us see, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Then tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Cosec theta, now easily we can write hypotenuse by opposite. Sec theta will become adjacent, hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot theta will become adjacent by opposite, isn't it? So here we are. But now in this right angle triangle, if this angle is theta and this is 90, so how much is this? This is 90 minus theta. (90 minus theta). So now I go for sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta will be equal to opposite of 90 minus theta, BC by AC. Opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be fixed, that is AC. Cos 90 minus theta, check. Cos 90 minus theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse. For 90 minus theta, this is adjacent. So AB then tan 90 minus theta will be opposite by adjacent, perpendicular by base. Now cosec 90 minus theta, here it is, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to AC by BC. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to AC by AB, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC, isn't it? So now let us check the relationship sine theta AB by AC, and cos 90 minus theta is also AB by AC. So I am coming to one formula. Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and vice versa. Have a look. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So I can write cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. That is why sine and cos are complementary reciprocal. That means suppose somebody tells you sine 40 is equal to say for example 0.2, then cos 50 will be also equal to 0.2. Sine 40 0.2, and cos 50, because 40 plus 50 is 90, so cos 50 will be also 0.2. So here these two are complementary. Let us come to tan 90 minus theta, BC by AB, and cot theta. And here tan theta is equal to AB by BC, cot 90 minus theta is equal to AB. So tan and cot are complementary reciprocal. And if you closely examine cosec theta is equal to AC by AB and sec theta is equal to AC by AB. So this formula you have to know nicely, then the sums are very easy. Thank you.